It's me, Tiffany, and I am back with another video. And today I will be doing my makeup, a full face of makeup, okay? So first I am starting out with filling in my eyebrows, okay? I am using my Dip Brow by MAC, and I am filling in my eyebrows. I did pluck my eyebrows so that I could get a cleaner fill in, and when I carve the eyebrows out like I am doing so right now with that concealer, my eyebrows will be cleaner, okay? So yes, I am so happy that I did end up plucking my eyebrows just to clean them up, and now I am carving out my eyebrows with that concealer, and then I am going to blend out that concealer, which I am doing so right now, okay? Just blend out those thick lines of concealer. So now I am going in with that orangey warm color for my eyeshadow. And I am also trying to blend in that eyeshadow primer, okay? Because I can see that it's white up underneath my eyeshadow, so I'm just trying to blend that in as much as possible. And of course, what I do on one eye, I will be doing on the second eye as well, okay, to make sure that they match, to make sure that I blend for the win. You can never blend too much, okay? So I am going back just to, you know, blend in even more, and I'm still trying to camouflage that eyeshadow primer. So now I am going in with the second color, okay, for that eyeshadow, and this is just a build up so that I can cut out my cut crease, okay? So don't worry, it looks a little messy right now, but it's not going to stay messy. So now I am going in with that cocoa brown. Yes, this cocoa brown matches perfectly with the colors that I used, okay? So I'm just packing in the color so that it all shows up and it all blends in, okay? So even though it's crazy because I put those colors in and I guess I added too much brown, all these colors just kind of melted together, and yes, it just looks like one color. So I don't know, all my little hard work is gone. I am not a professional at this, but I love to do my makeup and try out different looks on myself, okay, y'all? Makeup is fun, and I'll never give up trying to do my makeup and create different looks on myself, okay? So now I am using that concealer to cover my eyelid, and I am going to cut my cut crease, okay? So as you can see, I'm just packing that eyelid with as much concealer as I need just to make that moon and make a perfect circle so that I can fill in my eye space. And you know what? This cut crease definitely opens up my eye space because I do have hooded lids, y'all. So I am a hooded lid girly. That means when I open my eyes, my eyelids disappear. So thank God for being able to do cut creases and open up my lid space so that I can have fun and put all these beautiful colors on my eyelids at once. So of course, as you can see, I went in with that orangey color on the lid, and now I am going in with that pretty green. It is so pretty. And for my third color, I just chose pink, So I don't know if these colors work together. Comment down below and let me know what you think. But you know what? It's working for me right now. So right now I am putting on my primer. Yes, I am priming my face, and I am getting ready to apply my foundation. But first, before we do foundation, I am going to line my eyes with this liquid liner, and man, I always mess up liquid liner so much, okay? So I just went in with a thin layer of liquid eyeliner, and now I seen that my eyebrows were still too far apart, so I'm just kind of brushing them in so that they could just be more proportionate to my face. I am gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation, okay? So I'm just making sure that I rub my foundation all the way in, mix it into my skin, okay? And blend that out as much as possible, all right? And so far, I am loving how my eyeshadow came out. I used 3 colors. I'm so proud of me because I be trying to just do little things, even if it's subtle, new things for me, that I can do on my own self. So, okay, so now I am highlighting under my eyes with concealer. And yes, I am going to blend that out, okay? And of course, wherever you put concealer, you definitely need to put powder. So I did put my banana powder on, and now I am lining my under eyes, okay? And we are going to contour and highlight my nose, okay? This is very important step. I don't like to do too much, but I do like to do this step. I don't like to skip this step, okay? Comment down below if you guys like to highlight and contour your nose, highlight and contour your face. I do. I make sure I highlight and contour because this can definitely take your makeup to the next level. And of course, I am now applying blush to the apples of my cheeks. And I like to go high up, all the way up to my temple, okay? As you can see, I am throwing on that blush. That blush is just popping, okay? I am wearing Lovejoy Blush by MAC, okay? I love this pretty color. It's soft, it's subtle, and like I said, I take the blush all the way up to my temples. I like a lot of blush. So now I am about to do my lip combo. Doing my lip combo is the best part in my makeup steps to me because it is just so pretty, and I can just take my makeup to that next level with the color that I am going to apply on my lips. And I am applying Night Moth lip liner by MAC, which is one of my favorite lip liners to use. It's my holy grail. You'll probably always see me wear Night Moth or Chestnut from MAC because those are beautiful colors. And then I apply the nude Lip Pop by MAC, and now I am applying another gloss on top of that because today I felt like glossy lips. Okay, so the lip combo is really, really cute. I do need to apply my lashes like I just did. Okay, so I applied my lashes. I took my scarf off. Okay, y'all, my makeup is complete. This is the final look. I really do like how my makeup came out. And of course, I love my short haircut. And I just felt like I needed to apply some makeup so that I can feel more comfortable about my new haircut, you know? And I did perm my hair. So I don't know. I'm just loving my new look. I'm loving my makeup for the day. And I'm just loving how this look came out. I feel like it's soft, it's feminine, it's beautiful. And I feel like I did a really good job on my eyeshadow. Like, oh my goodness. I need to play around with color on my eyelids more often. Usually I only apply one color to my eyelids. Today I apply multiple colors to my eyeshadow. I am so happy and proud of myself. Like I said, I am not a professional, but I know how to lay out my face. Thank you guys for watching. I am Tiffany, and I will see you guys in my next video.